Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Have you guys not noticed something? Tinubu has mentioned the name of ministers. Kwankwaso is unavoidably absent. Remember that they've been talking about this and looking for ways that Tinubu can form the unity government. However, the reason will shock you. I can assure you for free. Why Kwankwaso decided to withdraw from Tinubu's government of national unity? You will be shocked. Earlier, the easy money making system is now crumbling. The governor of Kano State has decided to withdraw from the proposed government of national unity led by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The new Nigerian People's Party, NNPP, to which Kwankwaso belong, has cited several reasons for this decision. These include concerns about the involvement of individuals with corrupt allegations and what they perceive as anti-people policies of the government. The NNPP has also resolved to provide opposition to the ruling All Progressive Congress rather than joining and nodding to everything that will be against the people. The party has carefully reviewed its relationship with Tinubu-led government and has decided not to be part of it. They believe that the government action and policies are at odds with the party philosophy and goals and is against Nigerians. Additionally, NNPP is concerned about the presence of individuals with corruption allegations in the government, which contradicts the party's value. Prior to the release of ministerial nominees, there were reports of Tinubu's plan to form a government of national unity by including opposition parties. However, Kwankwaso and his party, after careful consideration, has withdrawn themselves from this very proposition. Many people are wondering what else is going on beneath the surface. So, people are wondering what else is going on. Well, we will leave it at that. What else is going on? The truth of the matter is, we all know what's going on. Yes, you can't pretend not to know. So people have carefully examined the whole thing and have said, you know what, there's no need, okay? There's no need to continue with such a thing, with such a tax, when you know that there is really nothing particular that will come out of it that will really favor the people. If you look at the whole situation and all that is going on, you will know exactly what's going on today. You know, people who are not part of the Tinubu's administration have come to think about it and have said, you know what, this is not what we proposed. This is not what we planned. This is not what we wanted. And this is not how we're going to join in. So there are all kinds of, things going on out there. And if you want to be honest and sincere, everybody who have eyes will know and will see that this is not what we all envisage. A lot of things, a lot of waters, like they will say, have gone under the bridge. And if we want to be honestly sincere, we know that things that are happening now, many of them are not what, those people who are in those positions has told us. They tell us, they come and say, hey, if I get into the position, if you allow me to get into the position, what I will do, I will surprise Nigerians. I will help. I will build this. I will do that. Common minimum wage, 35,000. How much be price of fuel? Calculator now. I person say repair motor, not talk or say cost save, call pay as rent. But how much they receive? You are receiving in millions. Is that an equal proposition? So if everybody look at it together, we know that some people are truly opposing the other, oppressing the others. Okay, oppression is all over the air, and you don't use an oppression against the people and expect those who are right thinking, okay, who wants to maybe contribute to a people to support you in such a plight. So this is what is happening. Kwankwaso said their party has thoroughly examined everything and haven't, looked at the whole situation, examine and see what, is before them. They just thought it wise that it will not be nice for them to support a government which is anti-people. And so they've decided to take their leave, saying thanks but no thanks. So this is exactly what is going on now. And so Nigerians are waiting patiently to see how more persons who say they have integrity, tied to their belt or who say they mean well for Nigerians to come out and to say something that is against the people. For Kwankwaso, for him, it feels very much like the Tinubu's plan and propositions against Nigerians, and there is so much, there that he will not want his name to be part and parcel of. And so the best thing is not to be a part of unity government. And don't forget that if he's there, okay, money will touch him, but he has looked at it and said, what is the need of all, what's the benefit of all this money if I cannot, okay, truly, reflect honest position to my people? There's no need for that. And so the truth remains, where are we going with all of this? And how did we start this in the first place? We all know, who Tinubu was. There are a lot of issues about the personality of Tinubu, yet, he got voted in according to INEC. And some people feel that, it was the wrong choice. So people have different opinions, and that's why the case is very much in court. Whatever the case may be, however we will come to look at it or see it, the truth of it is that at the end of the day, we will definitely, this country will definitely make a headway, and that's why we are all proposing that nobody's quiet, nobody's silent at the face of oppression. We do everything humanly speaking possible to bring this country to where it needs to be, so that together we can, we can become that nation that we have all, been looking out for. So my people, it is what it is. If there's anything that we're going to, get out of this nation, it's for us to be able to own back our nation. There are people who do not want Nigerians to, make a headway. No matter what, they want to keep the majority part of the population impoverished, because poverty, they can manipulate people with poverty. And that's what they love to do. But guess what? There'll be no time. We will not give them that time anymore, because enough is enough. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice, and so we must speak out clearly and move this nation forward. Every one of us have got a part to play. They don't want us to feel that we can make this nation, of great importance, and so things can move. But yes, we can actually do it. Please don't forget, you are important. You matter. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.